Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are always doing unboxing videos with cool stuff, and we have done so many with a few toys, with mobile phones, with consumer electronics, you name it. Today we are going to unbox this beautiful A380 airplane toy for kids, and these are currently available for sale in our stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one of these. Before we continue, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead now with the unboxing. So let's open up the box here on the side. This is a very small toy airplane for kids, and we've had a 360, I think 380 as well unboxed before, similar to this one, and let's go ahead and have a look. So this is the airplane toy. It does require batteries. They don't come with batteries, but we will be testing and setting it up with a battery. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we're gonna put the wing here. So this is the right hand side wing, fitted nicely there, and we're gonna put the left hand side wing. Okay, that's done, and we've got the aileron here on the back. This is it for the plane setup. The plane is made out of plastic. It's an A380 airline toy. We've got some wheels here at the back, and we've got some wheels here at the front. It's completely made out of plastic, and it's just a toy for your kids to enjoy and play around with them. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in it, and to put in the batteries, very easy. Get a screwdriver, open up the battery compartment over here, and you will need 3 AA batteries for this one. Okay, so we've got 3 batteries here, and I'm going to insert the batteries. 1 done, and we've got 2 done, and the 3rd battery. Let's turn it off for now and insert here the battery door. Okay, I'm not gonna screw it for now, but that is how you assemble the batteries. So let's turn it on and test it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So this is what the airplane looks like. So this is what the airplane looks like when it's lighting up with all the lights, and once you put it on the floor, it will start just going around and dancing. Cool, isn't it? Right, so I'm gonna turn it off now, and this is it for this airplane, and this is it for today's video. If you did enjoy our video, please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.